Deciphering Best Route in English. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the English phrase, best route. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in daily conversations. Let's get started. Best route is a combination of two words. 1. Best, which implies the most excellent or desirable type of something. 2. Route, which refers to a way or path taken to reach a destination. When combined, the term best route refers to the most optimal way to get from one place to another, either physically or metaphorically. In a literal sense, best route can refer to finding a way in transportation or traveling. For instance, if you're driving or walking, the best route would be the quickest or most straightforward way without unnecessary detours. Example: what's the best route to get to the airport? Use this map, it shows the best route to the museum. Beyond physical travel, best route can also be used metaphorically. In this context, it refers to the most effective method or approach to achieve a goal or solve a problem. Example: to learn English quickly, immersing yourself in an English-speaking country might be the best route. If you want to solve this issue, talking directly to him is the best route. Understanding similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary. Here are some. 1. Best way. 2. Optimal path. 3. Most efficient direction. Example: the best way to reach him is by email. For weight loss, choosing a balanced diet is the optimal path. And there you have it, the phrase, best route, decoded. Whether you're plotting a journey on a map or trying to find a solution in life, knowing how to use best route will undoubtedly enrich your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about understanding, but about making connections. Hope this video helped in building one such connection. Happy learning!